Think you've seen all the best Amazon gadgets? Think again. These viral gadgets are the hidden gems everyone wishes they found sooner. Smart, fun, and unbelievably useful. From futuristic tools to clever home upgrades, you won't believe they exist. All links are waiting in the description below. Data transfers just got a serious glow-up. This portable SSD doesn't just move files. It shows them in action with a built-in touchscreen that displays real-time stats like speed, temperature, and power. You can shoot 4K HDR videos straight from your phone and store them instantly without lag. Its aluminum alloy body keeps it cool, protected, and stylish enough to show off. With lightning-fast USB-C speeds up to 10 gigabits per second, you'll move massive files in mere seconds. No waiting, no worries. This little robot doesn't just respond, he recognizes you. Packed with personality, this smart sidekick uses facial recognition, voice control, and touch sensors to interact just like a curious companion. Ask questions, check the weather, snap a photo, or control your smart home. It even comes with Alexa built in. Thanks to cloud updates, it keeps learning over time. It's fun, helpful, and feels surprisingly alive. Lighting that actually thinks for you. This smart desk lamp adjusts its brightness automatically, protecting your eyes whether you're working, reading, or studying late at night. You can tweak the color temperature and dimming to get the perfect vibe, all controlled by touch, an app, or even your voice with Alexa or Google. The sleek design is flexible and easy to adjust. It's more than a lamp, it's a smart companion for your desk. Think of this as a little robot buddy that watches over your home. With wheels, it can move around to check every corner instead of staying stuck in one spot. The 2K camera gives you super clear video, and night vision keeps things visible even in the dark. You can even talk through it or get a call straight from the device with one touch. Cute design, big battery, and smart features make it perfect for families and pets alike. Shooting games just got a serious upgrade. This gun-style joystick lets you aim and fire like you're actually holding a weapon. Both handles rotate for realistic motion, and the trigger lets you shoot with satisfying precision. It works with your favorite console shooters and brings a whole new level of immersion. If you've ever wanted to feel like you're in the game, this does it. Your entire workshop fits into one sleek machine. This 4-in-1 crafting tool lets you laser engrave, cut, print, and even draw. No need for multiple devices. Switch between modes in just seconds and create everything from custom signs to t-shirts to holiday decor. It works on over 1,000 materials, from wood and fabric to curved surfaces. Beginner-friendly but powerful. It helps bring your creative ideas to life with professional results. This isn't just a gaming mouse, it's a full-on FPS experience in your hand. Shaped like a pistol with actual recoil feedback, every trigger pull feels like you're in the action. It's designed to reduce wrist strain while boosting immersion, and the precision is dialed all the way up. You can even remap controls and fine-tune the recoil. For serious gamers, this one's a total game changer. This clever little camera pulls double duty, vlogging companion by day, home security by night. With sharp resolution and a 360-degree view, it captures everything from pet shenanigans to porch visitors, even in low light. Built-in eye detects motion, records surprise moments, and lets you chat with whoever's on the other side. It's portable, wireless, and even comes with a magnetic mount for hands-free use on the go. Tired of overcooking dinner or losing track of your workout time? This sleek timer keeps it simple with a twist-to-set dial, an extra-large LED display, and magnetic backing that sticks right to your fridge. It's easy enough for kids and seniors to use, and the adjustable volume means you won't miss the beep or wake the whole house. Music has never looked this futuristic. This Bluetooth speaker doesn't just play sound, it floats and spins in midair while it does. The magnetic levitation makes it a showpiece for any desk or room, and the 360-degree rotation helps spread sound evenly. With up to 10 hours of playtime, it keeps the vibes going all day. Cool gadget, great audio, and guaranteed to impress anyone who sees it. Turn your phone into a DSLR-style camera in seconds. This smart shutter grip gives your fingers that pro-level control with an ergonomic hook design that feels just right. Half press to focus, full press to snap, just like a real camera. It even has a quick mode switch button for toggling between functions. Snap on the magnetic fill light, and you're ready to shoot like a pro, day or night. This isn't just a chessboard. It's like having a built-in coach sitting across from you. Touch any piece and the board lights up possible moves, showing you smart plays and even warning you about mistakes. Beginners get guided step by step, while advanced players can switch off hints and play freely. Built-in Wi-Fi lets you challenge real opponents online without even needing a phone. With lessons, analysis, and practice modes, it's the smartest way to level up your game. Ever wish your camera could follow you downhill, across water, or up a snowy trail? No controller needed? This foldable drone does exactly that. It launches from your hand, flies through nearly any terrain, and captures smooth 4K footage while keeping you centered, even at 42 kilometers per hour. Whether you're cycling, skiing, or just exploring, it's like having a flying cameraman that never misses a shot. Imagine your phone or tablet coming to life on a massive 60-inch surface. Table Connect turns your device into a giant touch display, letting you use millions of apps on a scale you've never seen before. Swipe, tap, and share your favorite apps with friends, family, or colleagues all at the same time. It works with your existing iOS or Android device, using your phone as the engine to power the big screen experience. Though still a concept from an exclusive campaign, it gives a glimpse of what future multi-touch technology could bring to your home or office. Typing doesn't have to feel ordinary. This retro mechanical keyboard takes you back in time. With round keys and a typewriter-style click, every press feels satisfying and fun. The LED backlight makes late-night typing or gaming a breeze. You can connect it to 3 devices at once using Bluetooth, or plug in with USB-C when needed. Stylish, ergonomic, and practical. It's perfect for both work and play. It's like having a little piece of the ocean floating in your room. This mechanical jellyfish ornament spins slowly, mimicking the graceful movements of a real jellyfish. The metal design gives it a futuristic, artistic touch while keeping it durable and eye-catching. Just set it on your desk or shelf and watch it gently rotate like a living sculpture. It's calming, mesmerizing, and a guaranteed conversation starter. Ever wish your phone could film like a pro camera? This smartphone video rig gives you that power. With dual side handles that rotate 360, you get smooth, steady shots no matter how you hold it. A filter adapter lets you attach professional lenses for cinematic effects. Cold shoe mounts make it easy to add a mic or light, so your setup grows with you. tough aluminum keeps your phone safe while you create anywhere. Imagine carrying a movie theater in your pocket. These AR glasses create a massive 201-inch virtual screen with sharp colors and smooth 120 Hz playback. Switch between game, movie, or everyday modes at the press of a button. Built-in speakers keep the sound rich while keeping it private, so you won't disturb anyone nearby. Plug into your phone, laptop, or console and enjoy an immersive world anywhere you go. Your webcam doesn't have to be boring anymore. This 4K camera gives you crystal clear video at smooth frame rates, making calls and streams look professional. The built-in eye can track your face or gestures, so it follows you naturally without fiddling with settings. Want to zoom? Just use a simple hand motion. With HDR, dual microphones, and multiple shooting modes, you're always ready for meetings, classes, or live streaming. Ever seen a speaker that looks like a giant pair of headphones? This oversized Bluetooth speaker is built to grab attention while blasting serious sound. Dual subwoofers pump out deep bass, and the 360-degree RGB lights pulse along with your music for party vibes. You get up to 24 hours of playtime, plus it's splash-proof for poolside fun. Perfect for parties, pranks, or just making your room feel like a concert. Tired of tapping away on your tiny phone screen? This foldable Bluetooth keyboard turns your smartphone into a compact workstation in seconds. It even comes with a built-in phone stand so you can recline your device and type comfortably wherever you are. The sleek, minimalist design folds up small enough to fit in your pocket, making it a smart pick for travel or remote work on the go. Not all piggy banks smile back. This one stares and then eats your coins. Drop a coin into its mouth, and the creepy rubber face starts chewing like it's actually alive. Eyes move, the mouth stretches, and it slowly swallows your money with lifelike animations that are oddly unsettling. It's weird, hilarious, and just the right amount of creepy to keep you watching. Feel like your screen's never big enough? These ultralight XR glasses throw a massive virtual display right in front of you, perfect for gaming, streaming, or even browsing on the go. With crystal clear visuals, immersive surround audio, and a sleek fit, it's like carrying a personal movie theater in your pocket. Just plug in and dive into the action, no bulky headset required. Why drag your luggage when you can ride it? This portable suitcase doubles as a scooter, letting you glide smoothly through airports or stations without breaking a sweat. At just 6.8 kilograms, it's lightweight yet strong enough to handle daily travel. The smart handlebar controls acceleration, braking, and even reversing with ease. With built-in lights and app control, your trip just got a whole lot more fun. These earbuds do way more than just play music. With an AI voice assistant built in, they can translate conversations in 62 languages on the spot. You can ask questions, transcribe voice notes, and even search the web, all hands-free. The companion app stores everything neatly and makes access super easy. It's like having a mini smart assistant right in your ears. This sleek stand powers up your phone and laptop at the same time. With wireless charging, it delivers a fast charge to your iPhone, while the built-in retractable cable pumps out for tablets or laptops. Strong magnets keep your device in place, and the adjustable stand makes it perfect for gaming, work, or video calls. Less clutter, more power, all in one compact setup. Got files scattered across your phone, camera, and computer? This all-in-one SD card reader makes transferring data ridiculously simple. It supports multiple card types, works with iPhone, Android, and laptops, and even doubles as a fast-charging cable. No setup, no fuss, just plug, play, and move your stuff. Ideal for photographers, travelers, or anyone juggling too much tech at once. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.